Can everybody say hi to the camera? Hi. Hi, Pushback. Steve. Hello, everybody in the back. The whole help desk is like hugging the door, like they need to leave. I know.
It's the first time we've ever had to stand here without having to work.
Oh yeah, never mind those pesky phones. We sacked those, right?
Sorry, dude.
Hey, Len.
There we go.
Okay.
Watch these sprinklers go off. That would be so funny. Yay!
Surprise!
Happy birthday!
Thank you, thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Well,
birthday.
overwhelmed.
Happy birthday! Woo! How you doing? I'm here to make a monkey out of you. Let's go, Abe. Hey, I brought you a present. Here you go. That's okay. So are you. All right. So I came with a wonderful birthday song for you. You want to hear it?
Absolutely.
Beautiful. All right, here we go. Me, 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 me. You, 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 you. Oh, it isn't April Fool's Day or your anniversary. No, it isn't Merry Christmas or your grandma's pregnancy. I'm just here to say you're special from someone very dear and to make you feel ridiculous in front of everybody here. Happy birthday! All right, I need all you guys. Make a circle. We're going to do something really special. Everybody make a circle. Come on, Howard. This is for little Howard's birthday. He's 5, right? No, I had the numbers reversed. I'm sorry. That's all right. Here we go. Come on. We're going to do the hokey pokey. Everybody. Oh, chicken dance. You know what I meant.
Howard.
Chicken dance. Come on, now, here we go. There we go. He's got it now. He's in the spirit.
Okay, come on.
Go, Jack, go. Go, Jack, go. Here, Sharice wants to.
Go, Tracy!
Go. Come on, Sharice.
I never want to turn 50. Come on, man. Here we go.
What? This?
Come on, here we go.
All right.
All right. Everybody, let's go. Rock your beat. Rock your wings. Everybody. Come on, man, let's go. There we go. I know you want to dance. Let's go. All right, last time.
Go, Jim. That's all there is.
Hey!
Yay!
Okay, Howard, it's time to sing happy birthday Somebody grab the cake before I eat it. All right. Everybody, here we go. On the count of 3, we're going to sing happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Howard. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! There you go. That's for you too. Happy birthday. So long. Give me a kiss before you go. All right, bye everybody. So long.
He's going back to his office. Is that internal or external?
I didn't pay the monkey.
Well, thank you all.
I guess
So Brian Markle.
Wait, you gotta blow your candles out.
Okay,
The phone
okay.
apparently stops recording.
I'll get the oxygen
Probably
tank.
for you.
Thank you all.
Bye-bye.